Hey guys, it's Sarah. I am here at A1 Custom Car Care with Dustin, Old Blue Eyes, what I like to call him. He was actually nice enough to let me borrow one of his shirts so I could like fit in.
Make you part of the team, right?
Right. Believe it or not, I was looking a little out of place here in the Bay. So he is going to take me through and get intimate with my car and tell me what I've done good on and what I haven't, what I need work on.
Yep, we're going to make sure she knows everything that's going on with her vehicle so she can care for it and make good decisions going forward.
So this is good because, you know, sometimes they try to make you sound like everything's super urgent, like if you don't fix this, you're going to break down as soon as you leave. This categorizes everything, which is really cool. And then it tells me all the stuff that's good on it, which is such a good feeling. Love it.
A1 Custom Car Care. A1 Custom Car Care.